Hi everyone, my presentation today is about the history of medicine. If we look right back in the past, back thousands and thousands of years to prehistoric times in fact, we see that people were already trying to make sick people better. They had some pretty alarming ways of doing this though, like cutting holes in their heads. There was nothing back then to kill pain, of course. No pain-killing drugs like now. So you can imagine how terrible it was for the patient. Aren't you glad you didn't live then? Magic was often used on sick people in ancient times for a similar reason, but the ancient Greeks saw medicine as a science and realised that diseases were caused by natural things. And the Romans realised the importance of drinking clean water and built good water systems to deliver it, as well as building hospitals. But nobody actually discovered a cure for disease until the 18th century, when a British doctor called Jenner developed the first vaccinations to protect people from a terrible disease called smallpox. As for surgery, in 1799, an inventor called Davy discovered that a gas he called laughing gas, because it made himself and his friends giggle, could also kill pain. But nobody believed him when he said it could be used in surgery. However, doctors soon discovered they could use another gas called ether to put patients to sleep, and then they didn't feel any pain during an operation. The poor patients often died of infections though, until Louis Pasteur learned how to kill bacteria with boiling water, and the first antiseptics were then developed to kill bacteria that cause infections during operations. The next important discovery in medicine came with the discovery of the X-ray in 1895, and the work done by Marie Curie in discovering radium and developing X-rays for surgery. Doctors didn't need to operate on a patient's body to see inside anymore. They could just look at the X-ray results. Scientists have developed this science much further now, of course, with things like ultrasound and scans, so that they can see inside a patient's body even more clearly and detect diseases. Anyway, back to the early 1900s. That's when one of the most important medical discoveries occurred, when Fleming discovered penicillin, allowing a whole range of antibiotics to be developed. This meant doctors could really fight bad infections and save people's lives. Well, I'm afraid my time is up now. We'll be returning to this subject and the last 50 years of amazing events in the history of medicine next time, like the first time a heart transplant was carried out in South Africa in 1967. Thank you for listening.